Learn your language if you don't know it. Don't you know you're from the nation of the void? And stop saying, Hoya Matalo. That's Somali, so Ato. Oya Makal, call me the Bundo. That's the bridge, I can see right through you like the glass of a window. Big Indo, got you hypno, off the tempo. And my flag stay blue like I'm Enzo. That's Fernando, that's the Mendo. And I'm coming to you straight like Rambo. I'm Howard, yeah, Haji, I'm well respected. Like 4 in a row, I'm well connected. Time is money, so I just invested. Rap game like some boosters, so I just perfected. Flow so danger, I should be arrested. You know how I ain't the one to mess with. Straight Gypsy. Cause Howard Haji's got bars, no hapsy. You're telling me you going fast, Howard 30. Got the whole world calling me Auntie. Haters won't respect my mad flow. Go ahead and call me the Bundo. Just call me the Bundo. Howard Haji. Just call me the Bundo. Just call me the Bundo. I'm the boss of no loss, that's where I must be. Being the bridge is just necessity. Despite what the haters told you about me, being Howard Haji's know it's it. No matter the haters, don't ever let up. Even if you feel you so scared up. I know it's hard, but just to gear it up. 2 bags of sugars to keep your hair up. Just call me the Bundo. You already know. Just call me the Bundo. Call me the Bundo. Just call me the Bundo. Bundo. We'll help you grow. Howard Haji's got bars like pesos got dough. The Jesus presidential, we call it for my Joe. Love how they treated me in Minnesota. You essential like Sinjabit and Habit soda. Learn your language if you don't know it. Don't you know you're from the nation of the void? And stop saying, Hoya Matalo. That's Somali, so Ato. You have to be proud of what we share. So many talents, Somali out there.